Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for SQQQ. The report was first published on our website Friday, September 9, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell SQQQ? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since August 29, 2022, our system ranks the SQQQ ETF as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -0.921. In this period the stock has had a loss of -2.97%. This is an average return of -0.33% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for SQQQ, our last headline reads, SQQQ ETF price took a fall of -6.38% on Friday. The SQQQ ETF price fell by -6.38% on the last day, Friday, September 9, 2022, from $44.69 to $41.84. It has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the last trading day the ETF fluctuated 5.15% from a day low at $41.57 to a day high of $43.71. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 12.17% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the ETF, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -16 million shares and in total, 136 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $5.67 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $67.69, and the lowest price was $5.99. Right now the price is 38.19%, or $25.85, below 52-week high and 94.82%, or $766.63, below all-time high March 12, 2020 where the price hit $808.47. The ETF lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -33.49% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -57.78% and -25.06%. The 12-month trend indicates a 28.56% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -47.73% and 114.06%. This equals a price between $21.87 and $89.56 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for SQQQ. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. The SQQQ ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the ETF will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $45.45. On a fall, the ETF will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $40.55. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, September 6, 2022, and so far it has fallen -13.36%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 178 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 31 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for SQQQ. SQQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $40.28, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the ETF moved $2.14 between high and low, or 5.15%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 7.16%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, SQQQ meets first resistance at $41.86. If you do not hold SQQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, SQQQ finds first level of support at $40.28, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. Our recommended stop loss is $39.42, minus 5.78%. This ETF has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 3 days ago. Is SQQQ ETF a buy? SQQQ holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 12th, we expect SQQQ to open up 53 cents and start trading at $42.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.